Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to avoid roaming charges with Saily eSIM. If you want to try Saily, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get the best available eSIM deal. It's the easiest way to set up your mobile data before traveling and follow this tutorial step by step. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to our phone settings, go to connections, and then under SIM Manager, just tap on it. You should be able to see Saily right here. Now, for calls into text or messages, keep your physical SIMs or your main SIMs as your calls and messages. For mobile data, leave it to Saily. All right. And this is if you are in the country. So for example, you're still at your home. You're just setting up Saily. Well, go ahead and go back. Go to mobile networks right here. Make sure that data roaming for Saily is disabled. All right. So once you arrive on the destination, for example, you wanted to go to United States, well, data roaming for Saily right here should be turned on if you are, again, at the location. So if you're still in your home, disable data roaming. All right. Disable data roaming. Again, if you're still at your home, go back to SIM Manager, use your standard SIMs right here first. Once you arrived, use Saily. That's it. You only allow or enable Saily once you arrived in the specific country or location. That's how simple it is to avoid roaming charges with Saily eSIM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.